Alright guys, we're at the waterfall. Pretty weird place. There's a little creek. Giant ass rock wall. And here's the waterfall. Pretty epic. Yeah. Bro, look how deep the water is. Like, you just go... Oh. This spot is swimmable, I think. Dude, you know what'd be crazy? Dude, you know what'd be crazy? If the water was like super warm, I'd actually swim here. Cause it's not even that shallow. It's like 3 or 4 feet over here and stuff. Pretty nice. We measured it, remember? So that's a massive rock. Look at that. Should we try to get down there?
Down there?
Yeah. Oh, this spot is weird too. Look at this. Wow. Kind of want to do an underwater view when we get down there, if that's possible. Like, if I somehow got right there, I could put my phone underwater.
Ready?
Yeah, it's actually pretty deep.
Ready?
What the hell are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Oh. Epic. Yeah, it is pretty deep. That's like 3 or 4 feet. I could swim in that. Pretty epic spot. Dude, the view over here is pretty nice. I put my phone underwater. Bro, that's the deepest spot. Now this is epic. Alright guys, I'm gonna put my phone underwater for a couple seconds. Alright, here. I couldn't do it for any longer because my hands would have gotten super cold. So, I'm gonna review that footage later. That's gonna be it for this video.